Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you two different methods to create a isolated chrome design. So I'm going to paint this nail with a coat of Ember and cure in the lamp for 30 seconds, followed by a coat of Layer It and cured for 60 seconds. Taking my gold chrome powder and an applicator brush, I'm going to burnish all over the nail, rubbing off any excess. Decanting some top coat onto a palette, I'm going to draw my design using a dotting tool, pulling out some of those dots to create stars and cure for 30 seconds. Then using my Prep and Dehydrate on a nail wipe, I'm going to wipe over the whole nail, revealing the design underneath, and seal with top coat. For the second look, I'm going to use Freedom and Takes Two to Tango to create this ombre nail design, curing for 30 seconds in the lamp, followed by a coat of matte top coat all over, cured for 60 seconds in the lamp. Give that a wipe over with your Prep and Dehydrate, and then using your detail paint in pure black, draw your design that you wish to use for your isolated chrome design. I'm painting a palm tree here, it's one of my favourite things to paint, and I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. Using your gold chrome powder, burnish over your design, wiping off any excess with a lint-free wipe, and then you can top coat with your original top coat to seal your whole design in. These are your two finished looks. Let me know what you think and tag me in your designs.